Okay, I'm back. So on to these. These are the rock wool cubes. And I am going to plant 3 different kinds of lettuce in here. 1 for each row. And I'm just going to write them on my map as I do that. I'm not going to mark them right now. Once they're up, I'll be able to tell the difference anyway, if they come up. So we're going to see. I have done a bunch of research on which types of lettuce do well in hydroponics. And all 3 of these varieties are supposed to do well. I have seen what I would call amateur growers plant this, and I've also watched videos of professional growers planting lettuce. You notice I'm getting it down into the hole that's in the center, and I'm tapping it to go down. I am not covering it up. I am just leaving it alone. So the top layer, the top row here is Salanova green butter. The next one, now all the Salanova seed is pelleted, so it makes it really easy to spot because it looks like a little ball, and I'll show you that. It's not like regular lettuce seeds look like little caraway seeds, only about 1/4 the size. But pelleted seeds are little balls. Makes it super easy. They can actually be planted in using a planting. Just using my pen to poke it down in there. All I want to do is get them in that hole. But it is not necessary to do any kind of covering or anything like that. Some people I've seen try and smoosh the top together and all that kind of stuff. No. Nope. Not necessary. And these are a type of romaine. They are not pelleted, so this is going to be a pain in the guess where. Because regular lettuce seed is teeny. I'm going to try not to make too big a mess here. It's the best way to put it. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm sticking them on my finger with a little spit. So that I can get them in the holes. Okay. We'll see if they come up or not. This is a slightly older seed, but it was not available this year. So I'm working with what I have. I really like this variety, and my usual supplier, Johnny's, did not have it this year. So I'm going to have to see if they have a replacement for it or what. But all I've done is tuck them in there. Now all I need to do is soak this with water, and I will hopefully in a couple of weeks have some seedlings. Green, sweet. I'm writing my stuff on my map. Crisp. And this one was Ridgeline. I have seen someone else carrying Ridgeline, and I don't remember who it was. I looked it up, but I've forgotten now. But all I did was make a map. There's my lettuce down here in the rock bowl, and these are labeled up here. So let's spin this around. This is Crimson Sweet. I like to have maps and labels if possible. Some of these things will be very obvious to me once they're up, because pak choi, for instance, is a very distinctive plant. But sometimes you do wind up with plants that have similar forms, and it's very annoying to me to not know what I'm planting. And that's it. I'm going to get water, I'm going to sog these, and then I'm going to go on to some other projects, because I have a list of projects that long today. And some of them are the kind of things that you can just actually finish up in a reasonable amount of time. So I hope you found this interesting. Hopefully it's helpful to you, it inspires you, and it makes you curious, because you're going to want to know what we're going to be doing with these guys. We have a zillion things going on this year, lots of things we had planned and just hadn't gotten around to. So this year we're going to get around to it. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss what we're doing. And until next time, bye.